Hi, welcome back to Fruity Friday. This week we're going to be making a mudslide. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are vanilla ice cream, cold coffee, milk, chocolate syrup, heavy cream, whipped cream, chocolate sprinkles, and cinnamon. The first thing you're going to do is add a quart of vanilla ice cream to your blender. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of cold coffee and 2 cups of milk. Now I'm adding a 1/4 cup of chocolate syrup, and if you want to get fancy, you can add a teaspoon of hazelnut syrup. Now I'm just going to blend that together until it's smooth. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now just blend again until it's smooth. Now that our drink is made, we're on to the presentation. You want to chill your wine glasses or your martini glasses, and then you're just going to pour chocolate syrup inside, which will create the mudslide effect. Next, pour your drink into the glasses, but leave enough room for your whipped cream on top. Now that you've added your whipped cream, you can dress it up any way you want. You can use sprinkles, you can add more chocolate syrup, you can do maraschino cherries. I'm only going to do more chocolate syrup. And we're done. One has chocolate syrup on top and the other one has chocolate syrup and cinnamon.